Welcome to Spring Creek Farm, where modern living meets convenience and comfort. You'll love calling Spring Creek Farm home. Enjoy the neighborhood's open spaces, perfect for outdoor activities and gathering together as a community. Nestled on Woods Drive, just minutes from the Carlisle Pike, Spring Creek Farm offers the perfect blend of tranquility and accessibility to local amenities. Discover a wealth of shopping, dining, and entertainment options within minutes of your doorstep. Whether it's brunch at Sophia's at Walden, evening dining at Black and Blue, Banana Leaf, or craft brews at Appalachian Brewing Company, there's something for everyone. Personalize your living space with customizable floor plans designed to meet your family's unique needs. With up to a quarter-acre home sites, walkout and daylight basements available, and two-story family room plans, you can create your dream home at Spring Creek Farm. Spring Creek Farm, where convenience, comfort, and community come together to create a perfect place to call home. Welcome to Spring Creek Farm.